Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can scale the sketch in FreeCAD with the help of a draft workbench. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures, you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of this sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. As you can see this model here, I have created only this sketch, and I have scale up this to the 2 times, and I have created these 2 solids. Now we will consider this very simple example so that you can understand the functionality of scale up option available in a draft workbench. So I will close this file, and I create a new file, and here I have activated my part design workbench. I will click on the create body, and then I will click on the sketcher tool, and I will select this front plane to create my sketch. So here I will simply create a rectangle, and I will make it square. I will give the 100 mm, and I will select this and make it equal so that it will be a square. Now I will close it. Now we will scale up this sketch with the help of a draft workbench. So we will switch to the draft workbench, and we will select our sketch, and here is a scale up tool. Click on it, and here first we will define our base point. So we will select this point as our base point, and here we will tick mark the uniform scaling, and here we will create a clone, and here I will give my scale 2 times and press enter. Now you can see that our scale is got scale up. Now to cross check it, we will select our sketch we have scaled up. Now it is not like a sketcher option, so we will convert it into the sketch. So we will select it and here convert to the sketch. So you can see that here sketch is converted and we do not require it, we will delete it. Now we will select the sketch and drop on the body, and now we will check the dimensions of our scale up. First we will press the space bar and hide our first sketch, and now we will select the dimension tool, and you can see that it is exactly 2 times 200, and I will select this and make it equal, and I will move it and provide the coincidence constraint and close it, and I will on both the sketch. So you can see that without creating any line we have scaled our previous sketch. Now we have the two different sketch, which means that we can create two different solid. So we will switch to the part design and select the first sketch, click on the pad, click on OK, select the second sketch, click on the pad, click on the reverse, click on OK. So this is the how the scale feature work in a draft workbench, and I have took this very simple examples to understand the tool. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.